Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to add startup items in Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. To add startup items in Windows 11, open Run using the Windows plus R key, and now type the following, and then press the Enter key. Now after the startup folder opens, just place the app shortcut you want to open on Windows Startup. After placing the app, close the folder, and you're done. Now after you restart your device, you'll have the app opening at startup. And as you can see, the app placed in the startup folder open at startup. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.